Today we're going to Pamukkale, which is a natural hot spring in Turkey. It's a tourist destination. It's a pretty popular place. So the spot that I'm in right now is where you take off your shoes. And I had no idea, but there's water that's flowing all the way down. But this is all natural. This is all natural, flowing all the way down through this whole canyon. It's actually not as hot as I was expecting. It's kind of cold, to be honest. Ooh, yeah. Hot springs are part of the route that you go up towards, and the hot springs are part of the route that you go up towards as you move your way up. I'm guessing the hot springs are on the way. So you have the people that want to take photos up here. They're all taking photos of the whole background. It's a really nice background. I'm actually gonna get a photo here too. Then you have the first spring, which we came from all the way over there. You walk up here and you hit the first spring, and I'm guessing if you move more up, you're gonna hit more springs along the way. Are you guys Turkish?
Yeah.
Say merhaba.
Merhaba, hoş geldin.
Hoş bulduk. Yeah, little do they know I'm also Turkish. This is the first spring. Second spring, I'm guessing, is right here. This video is just me testing the water temperature of every spring. That's gonna be the title. Which spring is the hottest spring? This is some meta shit. But I'm curious, because I want to know. All right, test number 2. Let's see how hot this is. It's a little hotter, but it's not as hot as what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the hottest. All right, let me see if my Wikipedia reading came in handy last night. What is Pamukkale? Pamukkale is a carbonate-based natural source of spring water. From the earth, it pops up water, and then that water is mineralized and it's hot. And I took regular physics in high school, so I don't, or whatever the fuck course it. Yeah, it's pretty much a natural form of spring water, and it's all warm, it's all hot. It's all natural. All this water that you see here is flowing all the way down because of gravity. All right, here's the third spring up here. This first spring we went to, that was okay. Second, and then that was the third one right here. We're spring testing. We are the water temperature spring testers of Pamukkale. Let's see how this one, oh, this one's leaking. Nice and tested right here. So that one was actually really cold, colder than the other two. So far, the second one is winning. Whatever spring is the hottest spring, that's where I'm gonna chill at. I keep thinking someone made this, but no one touched any of this. This was all formed with time. For it being a naturally made landmark, that's pretty cool. Definitely something really, really cool to check out. And now we're on our fourth spring. I'm not gonna finger this one just for the respect of other people around me. This is PG. Pamukkale is PG. I'm gonna test it. See how warm. Yeah, this one's cold too. Maybe they're all cold. Maybe I'm just an idiot. So far, they're all kind of the same temperature. This one's the same temperature as this one over there. Okay, so I have a problem. Those were easy to test because they're all kind of away from each other. But then I noticed as I walk up here, there's, Jesus fucking almighty, how many hot springs are there? You can't see it in the camera, but there's literally like layers of hot springs as you go up. And I'm hoping that as you go up the layer, it gets hotter and hotter. We'll see. Are you a YouTuber? YouTuber?
No.
No? Just for fun?
Yeah.
Okay, Korea?
Yeah. You
Korea?
are?
America.
No, I mean, are you a YouTuber?
Starting. Yeah.
That's cool.
I see everybody with cameras.
Doing it.
Huh?
I've been always thinking about starting a
You should start.
I don't know about what to.
Koreans are famous for YouTuber.
Yeah,
for YouTube.
but not me.
You can try.
Yeah, I can try.
Yeah, you already have the setup.
I'm not sure.
Are you not entertained? Okay, surprisingly, this one actually is hotter than the other three. I'm very surprised. Actually, I think my theory is if you keep going up, the hotter it gets. We have to check this view out though. This is crazy. I'm not even at the top of Pamukkale yet, and that is an awesome sight. Let's see how hot this one is. Yeah, that one's pretty cold. It's so weird. I don't get it. I have no idea what makes these things hot. Is it from the ground? I don't know if it's just luck of the draw. Maybe it's just my hand, it's feeling something weird. Maybe, you know, each pool likes me differently. I don't know what's up, but that one is so far is the hottest, which is very, very weird. Huh. But I guess we'll just keep going up and see. This is what we call natural Roman plumbing. The water's coming down all the way, falling off towards the edge, or going all the way down and still falling off the edge. But there are some metal plates here that I guess shoot it off. Probably because that area is a little barren. Maybe it needs some more water. I don't know why they did that, but I hope you're okay if I take my shirt off. I know YouTube says no nipples or no titties, but I can't help myself. Maybe I'll just censor my own nipples out so you won't get offended. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna walk around shirtless. All right, Operation Titties Out for Pamukkale is done. Now we can explore, no interruptions. Okay, I may be thinking that if I get deeper, then it's gonna be hotter because I've only been touching or feeling the surface. As I'm walking deeper into this pool, the temperature doesn't change. And it's cold. Let's move on. Ah, yes, the sweet smell of overpopulated tourists. Now the price for Pamukkale is about 50 lira. If I'm doing the math right, it's around like $8, $9. Definitely worth it. Usually I'm not a big tourist guy. I'll live in a place and act like a local, but this is definitely a must-see so far. I haven't even explored the ruins over there. But just based off what I've seen and just what I've experienced, definitely worth spending 50 lira, $8 or $9. That's a deal. I do want to check how hot this last hot spring is. I think it's the last one. It might be the second to last. We'll check how hot it is. That was pretty hot. And that one was definitely the hottest one out of the whole hot springs here. Yeah, I'm playing YouTube vlogging on hard mode right now. Okay, that was the whole route of Pamukkale, of at least the hot springs. Let's go on the other side here. I'm actually seeing something in these trees. Let me zoom in. Which is another hot spring part of this whole area. In order to maintain their quality, I'm guessing that's why no one is allowed in. Or maybe it's just too hot to go into. Who knows? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Hey! This dog went way beyond the acceptable limit of entering this area. But look how wide this, I'm on a 16 zoom lens, and I cannot capture how big this area is. Overlooking that. Let's ask him how his trip went. Hey! Hi, buddy. Did you like the pool? Did you like the pool? Well, yes, ma'am, I love the pool. In fact, I actually thought the spring that you thought was the hottest, actually. Carry on, do a good job vlogging. I'm taking a bit of a break here. The scenery here, everywhere you turn actually is beautiful. Like there's caves in the back, like right here. There's the whole landscape here. There's mountains in the back. There's mountains over there. There's a small pool here. You could chill here all day. I took a break here because it's so relaxing. Like, there's no one up here. Everyone's taking touristic photos in the hot springs, which I understand, but for some reason no one is up here enjoying the view. Heat's been hitting my head, so I thought I'd just lay low for a bit and recuperate and go back out and take some photos and drone footage. Yeah, I'm gonna call the video here. I don't want to make the video too long. Definitely come to Pamukkale. It's one of the best places in Turkey I've ever been to. Seriously, it really is. Definitely just worth the site itself. Yeah, do the standard YouTuber clickbait shit, like, subscribe, comment, you know, the standard stuff. I'd appreciate it from the bottom of my cold heart. And I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and titties out for Pamukkale. Bye-bye.